Happy Sunday morning. You heard me. We got a great day today. Today is click on Buy Now, Pay Later program. We are featuring the program. We just rolled it out a couple of days ago. You click on the link, you have a complete instruction. You save a lot of money. You don't pay taxes. Everything about the program, Buy Now, Pay Later program, is set for you. It's set for you to be able to invest, trade with no credit or brokerage account. You can sign up. You have a chance to conquer. You can get paid big money, 10, 15, 20 grand on some of these buy now, pay later stocks. All you have to do is go through the content right here. Buy now, pay later. Click on the tab. Buy now, pay later. Take advantage using other people's money. You buy now, which means you pay later. Yeah, you pay with profits.